Hi all, welcome to BalCAD. In this video, we are going to deal about drawing tools in AutoCAD. What are the drawing tools that are present in AutoCAD? Let us see. So here, the first command is line, then polyline, circle, rectangle, arc, polygon, ellipse, spline, donut, wipeout, and then revision column. Now let's see how to draw these commands in AutoCAD. So the first command is line command. In order to draw a line, you can select the line in the taskbar, or else you can type L from your keyboard and then hit the enter key. So here you will be specifying the first point of a line and you will be specifying the distance of a line, that is the length, say 50, like this. The same way we use polyline command. We will be specifying the first point and then we will be specifying the distance, say 100 mm. So both line and polyline are used for drawing lines. But the major difference between the line and polyline is, say for example, I will be selecting a line and drawing a profile, some random profile like this. And also with the help of polyline, I will be drawing one random profile, say like this. So if I need to modify this sketch, when I select, you can see that with the help of line, each and single line is splitted, right? But with the help of polygon, you can see that the entire thing is a single entity. So this is the major difference between line and polyline. And next we have circle command. In order to use a circle, you can select a circle here, or else you can enter C from your keyboard and then hit the enter key. So here you will be specifying the center point of a circle and you will be specifying the radius of a circle. Say 25 mm is my radius, enter. So this is how we use the circle command. In circle itself, we have many types of circle. Here you can see that center with radius, center with diameter, 2-point circle, 3-point circle, tan radius, tan. So how to use all these commands? So I'll be telling it. The first thing is center and radius. I'll select the first one. How to specify this? You'll be specifying your center point first and then the radius point, say 20 mm. So this is how we'll use the first circle. And the second thing is center and diameter. I'll select center and diameter. I'll specify my first point, that is my center point, and I'll be specifying the radius of a circle. Diameter of a circle, that is say 35 mm. Okay, so this is how we use the second circle. And the third one is 2-point circle. Here I'll select a 2-point circle and you can specify the first point and then you can specify the length or else the second point. Say this is my second point, I'll click here. So my second point, 2-point circle is created. And the next thing is 3-point circle. The same way we define 2-point circle, the 3-point circle is also the same. Specifying the first point, second point and then third point of a circle. Fine. And the next thing is we have tan radius and then tan. How to use this circle? Let me tell you. Say I have 2 circles like this. So in order to use the tan radius, you must be having 2 tangent curves. So I have taken 2 circles. I'll be selecting tan radius and I'll be selecting here the first tangent, second tangent, and then I will be specifying the radius of my circle, say 30 mm. So like this, you'll be getting a circle. The circle is touching both the first circle and the second circle. This is the tan radius. Not only for circle, you can do it for any curves, or else say I am taking one more example as line. So here also I will be taking tan radius. I will be specifying my first tangent, and I will be specifying the second tangent, and then later I will be specifying the radius of the circle, say 30 mm. Like this, the circle will be drawn. It will be tangent to both the curves. Okay. Then next we will be seeing tan. How to use tan circle. So in order to do this, I will go for tan. I will be selecting my first tangent, second tangent, and then third tangent. The circle will be automatically drawn. You cannot define any distance or else radius or else diameter for this circle. It will be taking the default distance between all the three tangent circle. Okay. Then next we see about arc. So here we will be having arc command. In arc also we have many types of arc, but basically in mechanical AutoCAD we will be dealing with three types of arc, that is 3-point arc, start, center, end, and also the start end radius. So we will be dealing one by one. The first thing is 3-point arc. I will be selecting the 3-point arc, and how to use this, we will specify the first point, and we will specify the second point, and we will specify the third point of our arc. You can specify the distance also. In between 3 points, you can specify the distance between 3 points. Here, this is my first point, and the second point is at a distance of say 30 mm. Enter. And also my third point, say 60 mm. Like this, you will be using the first arc. And the second one is we have start, center, end. How to draw this? I will be specifying my starting point, I will be specifying my center point, and then I am specifying the end point of a arc. Set like this. Okay. And the third thing is start, end, and then radius. Here you will be specifying your start point and then end point, and here you will be specifying the radius of a arc, say 30 mm. Like this, you will be using start, end, and then radius arc.